site 7:30. I ain't got to be in there till 8 o'clock. So yeah, just a little bit of what I've got to do today. So I've got to change out the existing alarm system. I think it's an old, I can't remember to be fair, I think it's an old Scantronic or something like that. So yeah, I've got to take that out. I'm going to put a Texecom in. There's about, I don't know, I think there's 3 normal PIRs, a couple of dual techs, replace them. They've got a panic button in the master bed, so I've got to replace that as well. And then change the bell on the front, put a dummy on the back, and then link it up to the police. So yeah, should be a long day. Don't sound like a long day, but yeah, I like everything to be pucker. So obviously all the panel and stuff like that, I normally take my time on stuff like that. So yeah, do that. Obviously, first thing, probably put my ladders up, get it positioned by the bell, then damp out the alarm system. Even though it's an old system, bell will probably start ringing outside. Then I'll just disconnect that. Then and then first thing I'll do is probably, second thing I'll do is take the panel off, get the panel on, get the keypad on, get the bell on, power it up, and then sort of then start changing the sensors without them being wired in, and then sort of go from there. So yeah, should be probably be a longish day anyway, but yeah, I'll sort of walk you through stuff, see what I do sort of on a daily basis when I do this type of thing, and sending signals, checking all that's going through to the monitoring station. So yeah, I'll be in there soon. Let's hope I don't power it and the bell don't ring. Happy days. So I'm going to take this out, whip this off, and yeah, mount the other one, get all the cables in. So plan is to mark these cables up best I can. I'll probably be able to see what the bell is and the keypad. Other than that, it will just be zoned. So yeah, mark them up the best I can, and then to be fair, there might be a bit of an old zone list there. Move the panel up so I've got the length on the cables. Then crack on. There was a 13 amp fuse, so I've got to change it to a 3 amp. Diesel lights, mate. They're pucker. Got to get your priorities. Park a cup of tea as well from the customer. Panel off. I'm going to do a bit of trunking down there just to neaten everything up. Panel's on. Trunking's done. Just got to wire it now. Love these labels. Put these on, use the old gun, and then they're perfect. It's literally, you can put it in here, in a dyno gun. I think I got them off Amazon or something, but yeah, they're blinding. Cables all marked, all stripped back, ready to go. These are blinding, these torches. Same again from Unilight, like the other one. They just pucker. Happy days. Gives you enough light. Brilliant. So yeah, I'm gonna wire the keypad in, go and do the go and change the keypad, get it powered up, and then go from there. Keypad changed. Time to power it up. Time to power up. That'll do it for now. Right, got to try and dig this out now. Come out easy enough. Got to replace it now for a new one. Had to chop a little bit out, but now it's sitting nice and flush. Happy days. Just got to drill the screws in, change the magnet on the other side, job done. Change this magnet for a new one. Lifesaver.
Last few sensors to replace. Even though they are a Texecom sensor, they've got jumpers inside that you can flick up to whatever suits your panel that you're fitting. For me, this is why these Texecom bells are the best, because all you need to do is just get slips to put inside with all your branding on. Gone are the days where you used to have to buy loads and loads of bells and store them in the wholesalers and pay money up front.
Panel all done and wired. Just got to do this now. Alarm's all done, tested.
Nice and neat, these badges from Texecom. Go on panels, keypads, expanders, so then at least the customer ain't got to search for your details, it's right in front of them as well. The wired bells really stand out at night, as you can see. Really nice and bright, really good deterrent. The wireless ones don't glow up like this, but they still give you the comfort lights at the bottom.
Right, 6:30, just left the job. Went really well. As you'll see by the video, ag though to do the bell. Obviously, when you ain't got a proper bit for tiles, I forgot all about it, to be fair, when I surveyed it. But yeah, it was ag to drill it. It took me about 40 minutes, and that was with a proper bit, but obviously I've used it so many times before. But yeah, I think next time I'll do a job with that, I'll probably just go and buy a bit to specifically use it on for that site, because they do get blunt quite quick as well. But yeah, everything went well. Yeah, smart. Yeah, DigiAir went in fine, monitoring. Yeah, all walk tested, job done, another happy customer. So yeah, busy week again next week. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, subscribe, or don't. No, cheers.